Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 30th of October 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, after 3 years of delays, Croatia is finally close to adopting a methodology for the calculation of the grid connection fee for renewable power plants. Investors have repeatedly urged the authorities to enact the document, arguing it was the main obstacle to investments in renewable energy sources. The effect of required investments in the transmission network on the network usage fee depends on the share of the connection fee in the total costs of developing the high and very high voltage network, as well as on the amount of grants. Hitachi Energy has entered a strategic partnership with Blackstone Energy Transition Partners to strengthen its service business across North America. As part of the agreement, Hitachi Energy will acquire a stake in Shermco. They are a leading provider of maintenance, testing, and design services for power infrastructure in the US and Canada. It was recently acquired by Blackstone-affiliated funds. Brazil has great wind power potential, but a lack of regulations and investment is still hindering the advancement of clean energy. The country risks losing strategic investments due to a lack of clear rules and incentives for the sector. In fact, the country has unique conditions for expansion of wind power, but it needs to streamline policies and ensure legal certainty so as not to fall behind. The excessive curtailments of wind energy and lack of consistency in recent tenders for power offtake have left investors who are interested in wind energy with more uncertainty. The Minister for New and Renewable Energy urged India's wind energy industry to boost its domestic content from the current level of 64% to 85% by 2030. Wind energy contributes nearly a fifth of India's 257 gigawatts of installed renewable capacity. India can emerge as a global manufacturing hub for turbines and components if we scale up local value addition and strengthen domestic capabilities. Ireland's onshore wind sector is trapped in an eternal Groundhog Day, according to the Irish Wind Farmers Association. Ireland's climate action plan targets 9 gigawatts of onshore wind by 2030, but the goal is slipping out of reach without stronger government leadership. Current projects with full planning permission granted by an board planella are set back or delayed due to minor clerical errors or resolvable issues, such as tree felling. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.